New Year's Eve coming, and you asking, where should I go? I have seven destinations, not the usual ones, five quiet and two with fireworks. Here they are. But before that, grab your coffee or your drink to get you to a cruising level and lay down because we are about to take off. Number one on your list, Valparaíso, Chile. Valparaíso, Chile. Hillside city, huge firework over harbor, about 20 minutes plus. City celebrate streets, no huge crowd or many visitor. Most of them are local, authentic, energetic street arts. Second, we have Isla, Mexico. Isla Holbox, Mexico, island in Caribbean. No cars, only golf carts and bikes. New Year's Eve, fire on the beach. Small group of people gather together. Midnight, water glows blue. You can swim in glowing water. Beautiful and calm. From December to February, temperature is warm. Mid-range price, boat from mainland. Madeira, Portugal. Portuguese's island, athletic. Harbor lights up 8 minutes. Watch hillside or boats, massive firework. Warm for Europe. Huacachina, Peru. Small lake in desert, surrounded by giant sand hills. They slide down sand on boards, ride buggies over dunes. New Year's Eve parties on rooftops. Fun vibes. Midnight fireworks light up the desert. After sea star, no city lights. Looks unreal, feels like adventure. Affordable, 4 hours bus from Lima. Stay near the lake. Hoi An, Vietnam. Old town, lots of lanterns. New Year's Eve, evening lights up. No crowded, walk by river, lanterns flow on water. You let go lantern, make wish. Midnight, calm, quiet, real. End of December, it's warm. Very affordable, stay in Old Town. Number 6, Faroe Island. Is between Iceland and Norway. Remote, opposite typical New Year. No big countdowns. New Year's Eve's locals home. You explore cliffs, waterfalls, cold, grey weather and wild. You might see northern lights midnight. Natural, not usually big parties. Gili Meno, Indonesia. Small Gili. No cars, no traffic, bikes and horses. New Year's Eve gathers at the beach, warm for Europe. On Gili, fire and live music. Midnight stars, quiet fireworks. Next day, snorkel the sea turtles. Affordable, fast boat valley. Small bungalows. 7 places, 2 of them with firework, Madeira and Valparaíso, none on the typical tour lists, 5 of them quiet. Subscribe for more and also which of these 7 destinations you will pick. Comment your thoughts or where your New Year destination be.